In AP, I have told what is AP. Already I have told a series of numbers in which the difference between the consecutive numbers is fixed. It's clear. That is called AP. Series of numbers in which difference between consecutive means one after the other. Consecutive numbers is fixed. That is called the AP. It's clear. Now, first term of AP denoted by which symbol? By which symbol? By A. Common difference denoted by D. This is the general form of an AP. General form of an AP: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is the general form of an AP. This point is clear. Now see here, nth term of AP. Nth term of an AP, it is denoted by AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of AP. Now nth term of AP from starting. Nth term of an AP from last. It's clear. In a finite AP. In a finite AP. Finite AP means which is having the countable number of terms, in which there are countable number of terms. So this we denote by ln. It will be equal to A minus N minus 1 into D. L minus 1 into D. This is L. It's clear. L minus N minus 1 into D. What is L? L is the last term. It is last term. L is called the last term. Now we will do the questions. So see here. So first we will do some simple questions. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 you can do. I am doing from the question number 5. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the common difference of an AP D equals to -3 and the 18th term, that is A18, you will write everything in form of symbol. So D equals to -3 and 18th term is -5. Find its first term, means you have to find the first term A. Now listen here, all of you remember this, you must know the meaning of these symbols. That by which symbol you will denote the first term, by which symbol you will denote the nth term, by which symbol you will denote the common difference D. It's clear? Now here this is given, and A is given. Now what is N here? Who will tell? N. N का मतलब होता है जो term. So which term here? 18th term. It's clear. So N is 18. Now as we know that AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A18 will be equal to what? A plus 18 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 17D. Now you substitute the value. A18 is minus 5 equals to A plus 17. D is how much? Minus 3. So minus 5 plus 51 equals to A. So A equals to 46. A equals to 46. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now question number
Yes, sir.
6. I will tell you third part. Here it is given 18, 15, 1 by 2, whole 1 by 2, 13, minus 47. Now see here, question is saying which term of AP is, which term of AP 18, comma 15, whole 1 by 2, comma 13 is minus 47. मतलब कौन सा टर्म माइनस 47 है, इस एपी का कौन सा टर्म माइनस 47 आए समझे। क्वेश्चन में क्या कहा गया है कि इस एपी का कौन सा टर्म माइनस 47 है। सो यू एज्यूम let an equals to minus 47. So you have to find n. It is clear? Now what is A here? Who will tell? A. एली सेक्का चाड़ू
Sir, 18.
18. अब झाड़ू बताएंगी what is D here? झाड़ू झाड़ू खटवानी what is D? 18 minus 15 whole 1 upon 2. So this you can write 18 minus 31 upon 2, that is 36 minus 31. So it is equal to 5 upon 2. So you have to find n. So you use this formula a n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A n is minus 47, age 18 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 5 upon 2. So you further solve this. I am solving here. Solving here. So minus 47 minus 18 equals to 18 you bring in this side. So it is n minus 1 into 5 upon 2. So this will be equals to how much? Equals to n minus 1. So n equals to 1 minus 26, that is equals to minus 25. N equals to minus 25. This is not correct. Somewhere we have done the mistake. कहाँ किया है?
सर वो minus 26 होगा।
मिस्टेक कहाँ हुई है? An equals to minus 47. A equals to this. D is 3.5. That is 2.5.
Sir, ऊपर minus 26 होगा.
So here we have done mistake. Here it should be this minus this. Second term minus first term. So when you will do this, when you will write this, it is 15 whole 1 by 2 minus 18. So it will come out minus 5 by 2. When you will substitute here, it is this. Then here it is minus. It is clear? So this is minus. Now minus and minus will cancel. Minus and minus will cancel in both the sides. So what will be n minus 1? It will be 65 into 2 upon 5. That is 26. So n equals to 26 plus 1, 26. So this will be the 27. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
So how will you find the common difference? Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term, like this you will find. Now see the next question. Now see here, question number 7. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Whether minus 150 is the term of this AP, we have to find this. It is clear? क्या minus 150 इस AP का term है? So you assume let an equals to minus 150. Find out the value of n. If it comes in whole number, then it is. If it do not come in whole number, then it is not. So see here, what is A here? Who will tell? A.
11.
A is 11. What is D?
8 minus 11.
Minus 3. So from an equals to A plus what is an? An is given minus 150. Minus, so this is minus 150 minus 11. That is minus, plus into minus, minus 3 into and minus 1. So minus 161 equals to. So minus and minus cancel. It's clear. So 3 5 ja 15, 1. Then 3 3 ja 9. So n equals to 53 whole 2 by 3 plus 1. That is 54 whole 2 by 3. So since n is not a whole number, therefore minus 150 is not the term of given AP. Minus 150 is not the term of given AP. Minus 150 क्या है? AP का term नहीं है. This is clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here, question number 8. I am doing. Question number 8. Find the 20th term from the last. 20th term from the last. So first you write down. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Second part कर रहे हैं. Find the 12th term from the end of the AP. minus 2, minus 4. Already given in the question that this series of numbers is an AP. In the question, it is given that this series of numbers is an AP. Now, what is A here? Bole. age minus
-2.
2, age minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 4 minus plus 2, that is minus. What is last term? It is minus 100. It is clear? Now you have to find 12th term from the end. So 12th term from end. By which symbol you will denote? L12. हमको क्या find out करना है? L12. It is clear? So what is ln? L minus n minus 1 into d. Ln is this. So you write down L is how much? L is minus 100. Minus n is how much? N is 12. 12th term means n will be 12. N will be 12. D is how much? D is minus 2. (11 into minus 2). Minus minus plus. So it will be equal to how much? 830 minus 78. Minus 100 plus 22 minus 78. Now question number 10. Question number, ये जो दिया है इसका हिंट दिया है 9th का, वो तुम लोग कर लोगे, हम 10th बता रहे हैं. You have to find the question. See the question number 10. Which term of the AP 53, 48, 43 and so on. This is an AP. This series of numbers is given AP. Is the first negative term. Which term is the first negative term that you have to find? So see here, let nth term is first negative term. और अगर निगेटिव टर्म है तो उसकी वैल्यू 0 से लेस होगी या 0 से मोर होगी, तन्मीत बताएंगी. तन्मीत, अगर टर्म निगेटिव है तो वैल्यू क्या होगी? लेस देन 0 और मोर देन 0?
Sir, more than 0.
मोर देन 0. तन्मीत तुम बहुत बहुत मोर. लेस देन 0 होगी. निगेटिव टर्म है तो 0 से लेस है, मतलब क्या होगा? लेस देन 0 होगी. व्हाट इज ए हियर?
53.
53.
व्हाट इज डी?
48 minus 53.
48 minus 53, that is minus 5. A is 53 and D is minus 5. So first you find out the nth term. Nth term. A n equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you substitute the values. A is given 53, D is given minus 5. Now you open the bracket. So 53 plus into minus minus. So this will be 53. On opening bracket, it will be minus 5n. And minus minus plus, it will be equal to plus 5. It will be equal to plus 5. So it will be 58 minus 5. Since an will be less than 0. An will be less than 0. So 58 minus 5n will be less than 0. आया समझे? 58 minus 5n will be less than 0. Now you solve it as like the in equation. So 5n you take in that side. 58 less than 5n. Now 58 upon 5 will be less than 5n upon 5. Now 58 upon 5 is how much? 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 11.6 is less than n. Or n is greater than 11.6. बताओ कौन सा ऐसा होल नंबर है जो 11.6 से जस्ट बड़ा हो? कौन सा ऐसा होल नंबर है जो 11.6 से just bigger है? So it is 12. So n equals to 12. I said therefore 12th term first negative term. 12th term is the first negative term. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 11. जिसको नहीं समझ में आया एक बार और देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करें.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
करें ना?
Yes, sir.
Question number 11. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19. How will you represent this thing symbolically? Fifth term is 19. Symbol के terms में क्या लिखेंगे? कोई बताएगा? How will you write this thing that fifth term is 19? तो symbol के फॉर्म में क्या लिखेंगे? कौन बताए?
बुक में क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा है.
नंबर 11
Yes,
है.
sir.
मिला?
सर नहीं मिल रहा है क्वेश्चन.
ये क्वेश्चन ही नहीं मिल रहा है. ये एक्सरसाइज 9.2 है. मिला? ये देख लो.
नहीं सर,
मिल
बुक
गया
में
कि
नहीं है.
नहीं है?
नहीं सर.
नहीं है तो चलो देख लो. तुम्हारी लोगों की बुक में चेंज है क्या?
पता
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
विद्यार्थी के यहाँ जाके मांगी थी तो उसने यही वाली बुक दी.
जरा माहिर अपनी बुक
Yes, sir.
ढूंढो. अपनी बुक निकालो.
सर क्वेश्चंस दिखाना है कि ऊपर का कवर?
कवर नहीं, बुक दिखानी.
A5 is equal to 19.
Now here the question is this, and it is given that fifth term is 19. So what will you write this in form of symbol?
A5 is equal to 19.
A5 equals to 19. बोला करें भाई. Then it is given difference of 8th term from the 13th term is 20. 8th term को क्या लिखेंगे सिंबल के फॉर्म में?
A8.
A8 13th
A8.
term, A13 minus A8 equals to 20. These two things are given. Now see here, A5 equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 4D. Since A5 equals to 19, you know A5 equals to 19. Therefore, A plus 4D is equal to how much? 19. This is the one equation. Then A13 will be A plus 13 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 12D. A8, it will be A plus 8 minus 1 into D, that is equals to A plus 7D. It's clear? Now all of you do it further. A plus you substitute here, since A13 minus A8 equals to 20. सब लोग कनेक्ट हो लेंगे फिर से. A plus 12D minus A plus 7D. Minus A minus 7D equals to 20. This and this cancel. D equals to 20. So D equals to 20 upon 5 equals to 4. Now substitute here, you will get A. It's clear?